Menteri rangba akjelau Konrad Konggal sangma bot menteri ke kampen roisor ubak sniau bhalang dhar kilalik benjurip ye ka mau pedang mau kasiang Mawdiangdiang bat mau pan ban peit la ka long na em ban pen kenria ye ka Secretariat syakati ke jaka. Menteri rangba uloong bahakani ke jaka ka bah Mawdiangdiang ya ke jaka la pharia Secretariat sorkar bapher kumta la don kam ban pen beit biang ka ba da kani ka jinge pen beit biang onyo sakumba arspa arpho akar ke jaka bat kani kan long ka ba biang ban snai ka Secretariat bat kiwe ki office badan kam bat ki jaka sa. Hakaju kapor kiwe ki office pat kinshna shamau pedang kumba kiladap ban penkre kane ka jing bishar punya kadang ya shakman hakabau menteri ka kampen roisor ba sniau bhalang dhar u chief secretary kilawan lang bat kiwe ki officer.
We have come here to visit in this Mawdiangdiang area, this Mawpat area and Mawkasing area to see the possibility of shifting the entire Secretariat and government departments to this land. We have two options in front of us. One is in the Mawpadang area, and one is in this area where we are right now. And we are examining the possibility of seeing which is going to be a better option for us and a better option for the people of the state, most importantly. And after coming here, we have seen that this area has been divided and given to different departments. So some rearrangement will have to be done. And we are able to rearrange and approximately get about 220 acres of land, which should be sufficient for the Secretariat and other important offices, and also the different accommodations that need to be put up. And at the same time, the other offices and other administrating can also go to the Mawpadang area, which we had initially planned. So we could do it on both areas. So this examination is going on, and along with the Urban Affairs Minister, our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like our Chief Secretary and other officials, we have come to see the possibility, and it looks like a very good option, because not only is the land sufficient, but it is also very much closer to Shillong city, and hence it will be easier for the public also. We have also looked at the possibility of connecting Shillong city and this new location through new roads, which of course is a bit early to right now explain, because we are in the planning stage. But all these aspects are being reviewed, and we are positive, very positive, that the new Secretariat can come in this area, and we have, as I said, come here to examine that, and we find this to be a very, very appropriate location. But obviously there are a lot of areas and issues that we need to discuss. We need to obviously discuss it in the cabinet, and once all those formalities and discussions are over, a final decision should be taken in the next maybe couple of weeks.